around the corner. It's a 350, so it Guys, welcome back to another video, man. We got the Shelby GT350, not the R, but the 350. Manual transmission. We're about to take it for a drive, see what it do, man. Hope you guys go enjoy this one. Okay, second. It feels nice though. Let's see if it will. Always popping. There we go, that second. Alright, let's go around the corner. Let's take it around the corner. It's a 350, so it handles. Brakes, did it too? Brakes, them good. The brakes, did it too? You zoom in? See, that's reverse. Alright, there we go, that's first. So I guess it's just weird. You come over for real.
Yeah, you go too far in the reverse gear, that's all. You just gotta get used to it.
I didn't want to run over to whatever that was. And if I know where some say he's up. It doesn't burn out.
Small tire.
Yeah, I do too. So he said we can take 2 laps though. This is nice.
So much traffic here, man.
We're cruising. The downshifts are so nice. Nope. See?
It's there. It's not doing it.
There we go. It does it now. It's very finicky.
You just gotta get used to it.
There we go.
Close.
It sound good though.
Yeah.
And the shifts are nice. When you get it right. We thought something was wrong with it. Oh, I should take it through the corners over there. The true corners and when you live queue. Let's go through them. What do you think? Where you used to live at least. Ready? Ready? Oh shit, that felt super nice, though. Yeah. And it revs up so high. Okay, it felt very good.
Shadowy brick.
Very good. Yeah. Very. Bro, to them corners are 80. You okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, buddy. All right, let's bring it back. How did it feel? This thing sounded sick. Guys, I love these cars, man. These Voodoo engine Mustangs, I know when they say Voodoo, Prince gets scared. But these Voodoo engine Mustangs are super nice, man. I like them. I like them a lot. The manual in this is really nice. It was weird finding first. I think that's first. Yep, that's first. But coming off the clutch is super smooth. The clutch is right there. Into second is right there. Into third, it's right there. One more lap, now we're gonna bring it back. I look, you wanted to hear it under the bridge. What do you think? Want to hear it under there?
Up to you.
Yeah, let's hear it under the bridge. The downshifts. That's me rev matching, that's not the car. That's me. Oh my gosh, I love stick shift, bro. I love stick shift. And a stick shift with a V8 is crazy. I need a Corvette.
Yo, imagine the Corvette.
The Corvette probably feel way crazier because the Corvette have extra 200 horsepower.
Way more horsepower.
This has 400 and something horsepower.
This only has 400?
Almost 500, yeah.
What? This is only 4?
I think so, yeah.
That's impressive.
No, like high 4, no, I'm basically 500. First gear pull. Ready? You got it, Q. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Go ahead.
You got it.
Go ahead, go
Ready?
ahead. Yep. Somebody left something in here.
What? Oh, what a lip gloss?
Yo,
Q, your girl use lip gloss?
what?
Free.
One bug on eyes.
But this car is up to 8,200. Dog, unsigned I Honda. Remember Q, so they have the Mustang Honda beat him? I beat myself then.
Avenge the Mustang, man.
Bro, this person that had this car babied it. They should get 17 miles per gallon.
Oh yeah, they babied this.
At first I get floored. It's nice though. I got cool seats on, so my booty cold. Why?
Yo, I thought
The cool seat was off?
no, I thought the seat was wet.
Nah, bro, you got cool seats, sir. Come on now. Ain't used to fancy life? This thing is nice. This thing is really nice. Turn up the volume.
Copyright.
Shot clap.
5 seconds done. 5 seconds.
Alright, at 10 dog, at 10. I know I hate. Cause when you reach 10, they give you copyright infringement. Got the video I'm drop with the baby?
What's that LC for?
Huh?
What's that LC?
Launch control. How does it work? I don't know. Let me go in first. Nope, it doesn't work.
Is it no?
Maybe you have to have on traction to launch it. Turn on back traction. Launch control. Nope, it just doesn't work. Turn off back traction. Because why would you drive with traction? There we go, traction off. Isn't it?
We want to talk about how long we've been here at this lake.
Oh,
Yo,
we've been
for
here
real.
for like 5 minutes, bro. There we go. As soon as I talk, it changed. How much ya? Cute. How to them underboy ya? The handle's good though. Why don't I catch you like that? Why? See, getting back out a second. How much it's how much you have?
Huh?
Wow, bro, I haven't done a pull and a shift like that in a minute.
Wow, I feel good.
Because I cruised through first because I didn't want it to spin. Went into second nice and slow, then floored it. Bang third, bang fourth. Slow it down, buddy, slow it down. Holy shit, let's bring it back. We've been on the test drive for 10 minutes now. Because when you get to high RPM, yeah.
That was sick.
But now I'm gonna like yo. Pusan dog never see him look. Me not run it. I'll wait. He just ran the red light.
Oh, the red light.
Your parents ever to say Pusan dog never see him look? Bro, that holy shit, that was a nice pull.
Yeah, that was sick.
I haven't done a pull like that in a minute. Bro, when it gets over 7,000 RPM, from 7,000 to 8,250, it completely different. It sounds You ever watch Norbit? And Norbit woman, the big fat lady? With Keisha, what's her name? Yeah! Norbit! That just sound like dog. Just find first gear for now, cause you know hard. Oh my gosh, bro. How do people crash Mustangs? Because yes, it's spinning, but the car is telling you what it's doing. You know what I'm saying? It's not hiding nothing. It's so easy to clutch.
You're pulling quiet. Like nothing was going on.
Like we didn't just do probably 120 a while ago.
What? It was.
It was?
Wait, it was not. It was 45 miles per hour.
In Mexico, guys. Yeah? That's it for this one, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this car was fire. As I said, Fernando down here at Infinity Coconut Creek, come link him and buy everything, because he hooked us up. So buy every car that's here, man, because he hooked us up. Tell them To The Limits Fast Life Prince sent you. Tell him Fast Life Prince sent you. He doesn't know To The Limits, but he know Fast Life Prince. So tell him Fast Life Prince sent y'all, man. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.